Welcome! If you want to change icon shape into a Cubot X19S, first step, go into Play Store and find X icon editor application. This one. Click Install. And then click Open. Now wait a second for loading this application. Then need click Close Ads. And now need choose some application, for example Google Chrome, this one. And in the list we got background option and shape option. So click without background, it's a standard option. So next up, choose your shape. For example, rectangle, stars. Oh, okay, maybe stars. And now for saving, click at the top right corner, press OK. Wait for generating. Sorry, need close ads one more time. And now click Add automatically. And now on the home screen we got our shortcut like star to Google Chrome. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.